Good morning, guys. It's the 1st of January. Oh, a whole new year. We've got a friend coming over today. And I don't know. I don't know what else is happening. I think we're gonna wing it. Are we gonna wing it? We're gonna wing it.
Chicken wing?
Like a wing. So, chicken wing it. Okay, how are we gonna do it?
Chicken wing.
It's chicken wing it.
Chicken wing.
Chicken wing it. Raining wet New Year's Day.
Really, it's raining wet.
Raining wet.
It's raining wet.
Raining wet. It's a cold gross. It's cold and gross.
What's that? Cold.
Cold
Are you
and
trying
gross.
to say cold?
Cold and gross.
Cold.
New Year's Day. I don't like it.
It's a pretty shitty British accent.
It's not British. I don't know what it is. There's the biggest butthole I know. And we're getting coffees. We're getting coffees. And maybe pho. Or a burger. Or something. Something food-like. I think pho would be good. Pho would be good. It's actually really good weather for pho.
That was good weather.
It's always good weather for pho.
Yeah.
You're gonna make yourself tired of pho. Oh, so cold. It's cold and rainy day. We're lighting our fireplace for the first time.
1945. I just want to make sure we consider all our options. The people that shoot at you really want to shoot at
It's over here.
Kids have been pouring in since the footage went public. Everybody thinks the Winter Soldier goes to their gym. Most of it's noise, except for this. My boss expects a briefing much now, so that's all that's right.
Because this is for Sparks. Huh? You need the wood to catch fire so we can turn off the gas.
Und schwarzer Kaffee wieder. Anderes machen, wenn du kannst. Ich stelle es aber hier hin.
Chocha's scared of it. And though?
Heads up, Cap. German Special Forces.
He's the only one who's going to be safe in case.
Understood.
Hey son, I'll give you my authorization code. It's EATME.
I'm sorry, sir. Can you repeat that?
You know, no matter how many times you see her at the side, hey, don't go.
So we're currently curled up
Scare.
watching more of our Aliens marathon. I had a friend that was supposed to be coming over, but it got too late and she couldn't make it, so we're gonna hang out another day.
There's Winona Ryder.
There's one what?
Yeah, Winona Ryder.
A Winona Ryder, yeah. Lots of Winona Ryder. All the Winona Riders.